What's going down, guys? Do you desire a Pokemon Go Spoofer? Well, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download 2025 Pokemon Go Spoofer for iOS and Android. So as you can see, guys, we got the bar on the right side of the screen, which is going to show us all the nearby Pokemon. We got joystick. We have tons of settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So this is super cool, guys, and it actually works. So as you can see, we got all the settings right here. So this is super awesome. So we can actually change the speed our character walks, which is super crazy, as you can see. And then, of course, we have enhanced throw. And then the joystick, you can actually walk around the Pokemon world from your house. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to the website pokespoofing.net. So let me just go ahead and type that in right here. So this is the website, guys. It's really cool. So let me just go over there. So once you're on the website, guys, what you want to do is press the button that says start injecting, and it's going to start downloading straight onto your device. And it's going to ask you if you're using an iPhone or Android. So you just want to pick the device and then press inject. And finally, we're going to have to do a verification. So this is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, guys, from the official app store. So I'm going to show you exactly to do it. So as you can see, guys, it's going to say verify now. So you just want to go ahead and press that, and it's going to bring us to the list of apps. And literally, guys, all we got to do is download 2 of these apps. It doesn't matter which one, but as you can see, there's tons of them on here. So just make sure you download 2 of them, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to do the VPN as the first one, so it's going to take me to the App Store. So let's just give it a second to redirect me here, as you can see. So yeah, I'll just give it a second. So while this is downloading, I'm going to go back on the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So let me just go back, and I'm going to do the Travel Town. So it's going to take me to the App Store. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So let's just go to the home screen and see what's going on. So the VPN is done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So yeah, we'll just run this right here, as you can see. All right, so I'm just playing around with it. All right, so once you're done, guys, we're gonna go to the home screen. I'm gonna do Travel Town. This one's a game, so just gotta play through it, just doing some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing through it. So yeah, it's pretty simple, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. All right, so just running it. Not really that hard or anything like that, but I'm just going to do this for a little bit more here, as you can see. So yeah, just run this. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So it's super cool. So anyway, guys, now the Pokemon Go Spoofer should download, so be sure to try this out for yourself. There's also like favorites, which are huge cities full of Pokemon. You can actually go ahead and teleport to these, which is super cool. So as you can see, I just teleported. So yeah, definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super awesome, and it actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super cool. So yeah, there's lots of really awesome features inside this Spoofer, guys. So if you're poor, you'll love this, because you can actually sit in your house without paying gas to drive and get Pokemon, guys. So that is so neat. Another insane feature is enhanced throw. So this is 100% catch rate if you throw the ball right. So as you can see, guys, I'm going to show you how that works. But yeah, this is so crazy, bro. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So yeah, try it out for yourself, guys, and you too can be a Pokemon master. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, peace out.